Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making mom's special Semiya Payasam, which is very simple and quick to make yet very delicious. So without any further ado, let's begin. First heat a pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee. To this add handful of cashews and fry this till it turns golden brown like so and keep it aside. Add handful of raisins, fry this well till it swells up like so and keep it aside. Now add half cup of sabudana, roast this well till it puffs up like so. To this add 4 cups of hot water. Remember, the water should be hot, else the sabudana will get dissolved. Cook the sabudana till it turns translucent. Now add roasted semiya. Mix this well and cook the semiya till it turns soft like so. Now add 3/4 cup of sugar. You can increase or decrease the sugar as per your preference. To this goes half liter of hot milk. Give it a nice mix and bring it to boil. Now add the fried dry fruits, some cardamom seeds for the flavor, and a pinch of salt to balance the flavor. Mix this well and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. You can adjust the consistency as per your preference. This will turn rich and thick after some time. So if you like, you may add more milk. Let's add a teaspoon of ghee on top and close the lid and keep it to set for minimum 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, as you can see, the payasam has set really well. This has become rich, thick and creamy and tastes delicious. So that's how quick and easy and delicious the recipe turns out to be. Hope you have liked the recipe. Request you to please subscribe to my channel so you will get notified on my further videos. Thank you for tuning in. See you soon.